So the best software for the job when we set up our production workflow and networked all of our machines was DecoNetwork.
That's the one thing that I really like about DecoNetwork was the customer service.
I think our most massive growth was actually, believe it or not, when we got DecoNetwork.
You guys were the most inclusive. Like there was Inksoft, there was some other competitors that we looked at, but after really digging in, you guys were the ones that really put everything together in one place. So credit goes to you guys for helping us get that process in line.
The one thing that we wanted to do was to be able to have all those vendors in one place and just go in and say, okay, I'm looking for this shirt, and it's in there. And we just pull it up, and we put it in, adjust the price, and send out an estimate or invoice to the customer, and they pay us right away. We get our money, we put a PO in, and we get the apparel in, and we decorate it. And we know where, from start to finish, we know where exactly it is. And so that's why we went with, and the support was great too. We'd call up any issue or problem we'd have, like DecoNetwork would address it and help us fix it. And that's the one thing that I really like about DecoNetwork was the customer service. You know, there's always going to be problems and issues in the business or something, but if we can't address it, you know, that's a big issue for us.
It just helped manage everything in the shop and organize everything into which department every order has to go to. And it really helped us with keeping track. And then at that point, with that management software, it let us focus on other aspects of getting clients in here and customers.
And a couple things that stuck out for DecoNetwork for me is DecoNetwork doesn't require hardware infrastructure. And some of the systems I looked at required you to maintain your own servers and set up like that. A lot of powerful tools that come with that, a lot of costs and a lot of risks there. And so the fact that DecoNetwork was all web-based and so that it was not hardware reliant and always backed up was something that was very important to me, and that eliminated some of the other systems from eligibility for me. The second thing is I think I had it down to 2 companies that I was interested in, and so I dug around on the internet and I found the tech support phone numbers and called up to like a customer would, and one of the companies wouldn't answer their phone, and it just kept ringing and ringing, and DecoNetwork picked up after about 2 rings. And so that was probably the biggest deciding factor, because you know, on a given week we never have to talk to Deco support, but occasionally we do, and those times are really important. And so the background support has been pivotal